Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about the primitive data types in JavaScript. Okay, I have opened the documentation on MDN about the primitive data types in JavaScript. So in JavaScript, a primitive, basically a primitive value or a primitive data type is a data that is not an object and has no methods or properties. Now you might be asking like, hey, what is an object in JavaScript? We will discuss about the objects in detail in the upcoming videos. Okay, so don't worry. So there are 7 primitive data types in JavaScript: string, number, BigInt, Boolean, undefined, symbol, and null. So in our course, what we will do, we will discuss about the string, number, Boolean, undefined, and null. We will skip the BigInt and symbol because these primitive data types are not that much common. Okay, so now as you can see, here is some of the other descriptions as well, which is very important. Okay, so most of the time a primitive value is represented directly at the lowest level of the language implementation. Okay, all primitives are immutable, that is, they cannot be altered. Okay, this is very important line. So all of the primitive values inside of the JavaScript are immutable. Okay, now it is important not to confuse a primitive itself with a variable assigned a primitive value. Okay, the variable may be reassigned to a new value, but the existing value cannot be changed in the ways that objects, arrays, and functions can be altered. Okay, basically what it is saying like, hey, if you are declaring a variable inside of JavaScript and the primitive value itself, these are two different things, and in the way the objects, array, and functions can be altered, these primitive values cannot be altered. Okay, the language does not offer utilities to mutate primitive values. Okay, awesome. So this is basically the primitive values inside of the JavaScript. So inside of JavaScript, we have 7 primitive data types, and these are string, number, BigInt, Boolean, undefined, symbol, and null. Okay, awesome. Now this is the basics of the primitive data types in JavaScript. But one thing which I want to point out here in this video, basically we will not be writing any sort of code here, but as you might have remembered, so this is our JavaScript console. So we have been writing all of the code inside of this JavaScript file, but to test some of the things, we can write the code inside of the JavaScript console as well. Okay, so if I just go something like this, console, and also as you can see, there are some of the auto completions as well. .log. Okay, and let's do hello. Okay, awesome. So this is how we can do many of the things inside of the JavaScript console. Okay, also what we can do something like 10 plus 10, and that will be 20. So we can just do some of the really quick calculations or really quick printing inside of the JavaScript console as well. So you can use the JavaScript console to follow along as well, but I will highly recommend you to create the JavaScript file. In that way, all of the things which we are covering inside of the videos will be there in your machine as well. Okay, because if I just refresh this one, everything will be gone except for these 2 lines, because these are coming from the main.js file. Okay, awesome. So this is basically the primitive data types in JavaScript.